Oh, what are you doing? Do you want to show us how you golf? That's ready? Shall we golf? Look. There. Look. Come here. Can you golf? Here. Hold this. Hold this. Can you hit the golf ball? Here you go. How do you hit? Ready? Ready? Can you do it? Oh, good job, Bex. Wants to do some more? Oh, good job, Bex. I think that was about 300 yards.
Wow.
Woo! Long and straight, baby. Long and straight. Yay! Beckett's a better golfer than Mama. Yay! And that's not very hard. Yay! Good golfing. Good golfing. Woo! You airballed it. That's what Mom does. Can you swing the club? Oh, left-handed. You're ambidextrous. Woohoo! How do you golf? How do you golf?
Haggu.
Beckett. Beckett. Can you say bye-bye to Katin?
Bye, Beckett.
Bye-bye.
See you tomorrow.
How do you say Beckett? Can you say Beckett? Can you go, mwah? Can you blow her kisses?
Beckett.
Beck.
Mwah.
Mwah.
Mwah. No?
You want to come say bye? Good standing. Or you wanted to stand up? Good golfing. Good golfing. Woo! Come here. Can you say,